This comes with, I think, 6 of these, and each bar has 10 grams of protein and 3.5 grams of fiber. Let's see how many calories there are inside something like this. Okay, so this should tell us what it has. Approximate composition per bar. So per bar you have 123 calories, protein of 10.5 grams, carbohydrates of 11.2. So you're looking at about 11 grams of carbs and 10 grams per bar. I think that's pretty good. There is some saturated fatty acid and there's some dietary fiber. My purpose of getting this is to replace unhealthy snacks. I end up eating a packet of chips, I'll eat a kurkure. So to avoid doing something like that, I guess something like this. Give me a moment and I'll just do a taste review. It tastes amazing. I'll give it 4 stars out of 5 stars of taste. So I've had a little more than half and I'm feeling full already. So far so good. I mean, I'm having Isopure these days. So let's say I get about 25 grams of protein from that. And then I get the odd 10 grams for this, you know. But without getting too technical, I feel this is very good. And I just realized you have different flavors. So you have this one, okay, and then you have this one. You get 3 of each. I don't know what the 2 different, okay, so it's choco cranberry and almond fudge. I'm having almond fudge right now. The taste is amazing. Choco cranberry, I'm sure, is a tolerable taste as well. So far I'm really feeling it. This is what you get. It's not expensive, I think. I got this because sometimes I'm at work and I have nothing I can eat and I feel miserable. So it's good to eat something more healthy and a little unhealthy as opposed to just eating unhealthy stuff. So that's why I got this. This is my first box. It's not a paid endorsement, but I'm very impressed, and I'll keep you updated in my review. Thank you for watching, guys.